Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel once again. Y'all already know what's going on. Today is about to be a really good video because I finally got my ring light. Now, I've been waiting for this because I need to save up and I just kept spending all my money, to be honest. But I finally saved up for some stuff that I wanted to get, and my ring light was one of them. So I decided to open it, and it's a really affordable ring light because some ring light that I see can range between $42 and $150, but this one is very affordable because it's only $42. So let's get into this video. Okay, so I ordered my ring light from Amazon, and I ordered it on Thursday. Today is now Sunday. My other packages arrived like next day, but I ordered it, so I just now opened it. So now how hard is that? Don't need these no more. Come on, babe. Oh. Okay, now y'all pray for me. Okay. So don't need that box. Oh, bruh, I just heard a fire. Okay, now some of you guys may be wondering, what's this light? This light is just a basic light. Like, it's just like a normal light. It's my room light, so yeah. Oh. I don't know if you guys can tell what's in there, but yeah. Okay. Let me see what it does real fast. Okay. Well, then get started. Okay, this is the instruction manual, so I'm keep right there. Why am I lucky? What prize? We're gonna see if this is real or not. Okay, so this is the actual tripod that it came with. The screws, I'm assuming, for the phone. Oh, and it comes with a little mini tripod. Oh. And it comes with a button so I can take ooh, y'all don't know. Oh, and another phone holder. Period. Okay, so we gonna start this. Ooh. Oh, so this is what the ring light looks like. And it has like another phone thing. So basically it has two. And then it comes with like a brightness button. So we're gonna see about that in a second. We're gonna get this tripod. We're gonna get this tripod out first. Woo. I love opening packages like this. Like, it's so fun, bro. Okay, we're gonna figure out how to make it taller, because I know it don't go this tall. If it does, it does. Oh, I think this is how you do it. Okay. Why isn't it sturdy? It doesn't look sturdy to me. Okay. I low-key got that pretty fast. Normally I don't get stuff that fast. Okay, so it's pretty tall. At least to me. Oh, okay. So basically, Okay, so these little things, this is like the extenders, basically. So I'm trying to figure out, oops. Okay, now it's sitting better. If not, I'll figure that part out. Okay, so compared to me, well, like, I'm 5'7", so I think to me sitting down, it'll make more, but it's tall for me. And plus, mostly, I'll be probably sitting down in most videos that I'm gonna use it in, so I'm not really tripping. What's this? Oh, this is like a mini tripod. Okay, so now I got another tripod. Okay. Now, what in the hell? We're gonna figure this out. I need to plug it in. I know y'all hear these fireworks. They be going crazy, man. Shit. Okay. And y'all just gonna keep doing it. So, what's this part? I'm gonna figure it. What? I don't know what this part is. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put the ring light part on top of this, right? Because that's what it's looking like. So, can I tighten it? So basically they said it's 360. So this is like a 360 ball. So whatever way. And then when you tighten it on the side, that's where it stops. So I'm gonna tighten it in the front because okay. Gotta make sure it's in check. Ooh. Okay. And then they just gonna keep popping them. There was one like at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm just like, do y'all ever sleep? Out of curiosity. Okay, so now I'm supposed to tie this on it. So basically all I'm doing is just tying this on it. Well, yeah. If I can figure this out. Ooh, if it just stays still. It must be a celebration. So I had one yesterday. It's not sturdy. What? I don't know why it's not sturdy. This is funny. Okay, so I got the ring part. Or I got the light on. Okay, but at the end, it's not sturdy. Well, I'm gonna try not to hit that. Hold on. Let me read these instructions.
5 minutes later.
Okay. Sorry, y'all. So I think you gotta plug it into something. Okay.
But I'm trying to extend his tripod because it's not working out.
Hey y'all, so I finally got it worked out after 15 minutes because I was literally confused, and then I just asked for some help, and my brother helped me, and when he did, I just felt so bamboozled because he just did it automatically, so I was hurt. Ooh, wait. Okay, and then tying it. Okay, because I need it as tight as possible. Because what part? Oh, okay. 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 So I got it set up now, right? Because the only thing is where are you supposed to put it? Come to think of it, where are you supposed to put that? It doesn't even say. So I'm supposed to unscrew stuff? I'm not that good at unscrewing stuff. 5 hours, like 12. Cause I need somewhere that my phone could fit, you feel me? Hey guys, so currently on the ring light. So as you can see me. It was a little bit technical difficulties because I couldn't get my phone on the first tripod that it comes with on itself actually. So it was just so hard, but this is what the lighting looks like. And then I'm gonna show you what the calmer, what it looks like on me at least. Everybody's different. Oh, what it looks like. So that. And I'm gonna actually go back to the white one. So this is what it looks like. This is me unpackaging the ring light. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I recommend this product if you're an upcoming YouTuber, or if you like to take pictures, or if you just want to have some. And I can't wait to try it tomorrow because I want to take some outside, actually take it outside and try to take some pictures by myself. I don't really need anybody anymore because if this button works with it, then I'm good for life. So, but yeah, thank you for watching this video, Mia Mafia. You know I love you, and I can't wait to drop this next video, and I will be talking about the PR. I know the last video I mentioned that there was gonna be the PR, but it's actually gonna be this one. I mean, yeah, but the next video after this one will be the PR, and I will be explaining how I got there and how, if you want any advice about it, and I could help you if you need anything, or if you want some upcoming advice of becoming an influencer or a model, whatever you want to do. So thank you for watching this video. I love you, Mia Mafia, and have a good week.
I'm just here for the season.
Yeah.